Good morning, 8th class. We were doing human nervous system. We have done page number 88 and 89. So 89 page, we have to begin from human nervous system. See, it is the body's communication network and control center, and there are nearly 45 miles of nerves running throughout our body. Its three main divisions are central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. So first of all, out of these we will do central nervous system. This consists of only brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system. Brain, it is grayish pink ball with many ridges on its surface. Brain consists of three main parts which are further divided as described below. This flow chart you have to learn for description of brain and its parts. Brain is connected with rest of the head by cranial nerves and with the body through spinal nerves. Means cranial nerves coming out of brain and spinal cord with helping it to connect with rest of the body. Brain is found inside a part of the skull that is called cranium or brain box, and it is covered by three membranous coverings. They are called as meninges. Learn proper spelling, not meaning. Meninges, meninges. Then the membranes, and in between them is fluid that is called cerebrospinal fluid. In between them, three layers are there, three meninges, and in between them filled up fluid that is called as cerebrospinal fluid. This is all for protection of brain. First of all, it is having cranium, then having three layers, that is meninges, and in between cerebrospinal fluid. Then bony skull, meninges, and cerebrospinal fluid protect the brain from external injuries and shocks. So here you can see the flow chart. Brain having three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain further divided into three parts: cerebrum, hypothalamus, and olfactory lobe. Midbrain is a small part which connects these two. And hindbrain having again three parts: pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. So these they have given. I hope you have drawn the diagram. Okay. Brain diagram 2 I have given you. Any one you can draw as per the requirement of question. Then you can see the parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain having cerebrum, hypothalamus, thalamus, two parts, and olfactory lobe. They have not shown here. And hindbrain having pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. This is the spinal cord beginning from here. This is cerebral cortex part of cerebrum only. Cell body of neurons constitute the gray matter, and fibers constitute the white matter of brain. Means brain is divided into two main parts: gray matter and white matter. And you have done neurons to cell body part constitute the gray matter, that makes the gray matter, and fibers, that is axons, they make the white matter of brain. Then again they will repeat the forebrain.